It's time to play Sonic. The gang's all here. But we can't forget everyone's favorite Eggman. Looks like Amy Rose needs to scramble some eggs. Careful now, breakfast will be over in a bit. Uh-oh, we broke the screen! Well, time for some hands-on experience. Let's dig into all those little bits and pieces. And don't worry, from the ashes, we can rebuild. It's alive! Alive! Well, artificially, but still! Ooh, the Sonic Gang is having a camp out. Let's just hope there's enough marshmallows to go around.
Run! It's an evil robot!
Sure, robots don't eat, but his doctor buddy looks hungry. He sure has an appetite for world power. Maybe you should put down the stick. Because it looks like it's time for you to go fast.
Go!
It's time to crack some eggs. Yeah, I'll be here all day. Now let's get back to camping. Chili dogs, anyone? Wow, now that's what I call a squishy Sonic. What big eyes! And he's always wanted to be taller. But this might take a few more adjustments. Just trim off a little and hook him up to our machine. See? I always knew there was room for growth with him. Careful now, I think he's getting a big head. But he's still a lot of fun. He's practically our blue bouncing ball. Ooh, this fidget spinner kind of looks familiar. That's it. It looks like Sonic's legs when he's on the go. In fact, we could take advantage of the resemblance. Whether 2D or 3D, Sonic's got a need for speed. But it looks like Eggman wants to get moving too. Easy fix. We just need a paper clip. Just twist it up and hook it to this little box. Now, Dr. Eggman, why don't you take a seat? Want to go for a stroll? It does the walking for you. Amy Rose has got a full tank of gas. And you know she's not afraid to use it. Look, this tricked out car has a few tricks of its own. Though I hope she's got a seatbelt and maybe a helmet. What she needs is a road to rage on. And we'll give her plenty of cars to keep her company. Now hook it up. We want to keep things all in one place.
Vroom, vroom.
Why don't we call one of our old Sprunky friends to help? Keep your eyes out, Oren. Let's make sure Amy is safe. Then again, maybe we need to keep everyone safe from her. Our clay pals are all smiles, literally. Plus, they're all really fun to squish up. Though, be careful, they don't really unsquish. But they do seem to have a bunch of fun treats inside. Wow! A ring! Diamond sold separately. I wonder what other goodies they've got for us. Oh, look! Knuckles has another gem, too!
Ooh.
Ah, jewels. You can never have too many. But let's see what Eggman's got in store for us. Well, there's only one way to find out. A cockroach. But it could be worse. It could always be a distraction. Sonic's got a special surprise for you. It's a great big blue balloon. Ooh, watch your spikes. We can't pop it. It's gonna be our next craft. Cover it up with glue. Remember, make paste, not waste. Sonic, you've got paper stuck to your shoe. Why don't we put it to better use? Like paper mache. It'd be a shame to let all that blue go to waste. The balloon did its job. It can take a break. And this shell could use our favorite hedgehog. Oh, you went to the ice cream stand? Wait, stand. That gives me an idea. Make Sonic his own stand. This will really help him light up the room. There's a reason Sonic's everyone's favorite hedgehog. Looks like our next craft's gonna use cardboard paper. We're making an Amy Rose style camera. It's got her name on it, and her face. Just push her buttons and she'll snap that shot. Of course, catching Sonic's no easy task. You did it! And Dr. Eggman acts like it's hard. Enlarge! Who knew Sonic was so photogenic? In fact, save that photo for later. Of course, we could sure use the rest of him. Sonic might be flatter than normal, but he's still got moves. And Knuckles is never far behind. Sonic's a speedster, even when in bath bomb form. But it's more fun for bath bombs to sit back and soak. Maybe we should have used a bigger bathtub. But we can still have some fun. Oh, the ring from before. Talk about a callback. Sure beats catching fish in a barrel. Ooh, reel it in. You've caught yourself a Sonic. Let's hope he washed behind the spikes. Plus Tails and all our other friends. It's party time. Let's dance. Looks like purple hair is really in right now. It's Lily Lovebraid, and she's got company. Careful, those braids get tangled easily. Uh-oh, I wonder if this ever happens to Rapunzel. Who you gonna call? Easy, the K-pop Demon Hunters. Don't worry, they'll sing your troubles away. And Rumi can even help give you a trim. Who says Demon Hunter pop stars can't be hairstylists? Oh, don't cry! From one purple-haired girl to another. Bald is beautiful, but Rumi's got an image to maintain. Never know when you'll have an impromptu show. Or demon battle, so you gotta be ready.